square. Just had to help it on its way. Set up. Yeah, that's not where you want to be bowling. Not to a batsman in the form of Shubman Gill. 27 for none. Zimbabwe will be disappointed with that start. And he goes for four. First ball. Crunch down the ground. Yashasvi Jaiswal. It was a nice juice, 21 kilometers an hour. And he smashes it down the ground, does Jaiswal. Down the ground, and he's decided that he's going to take Tendai Chatara on. No longer has the pace that he used to Chatara, and I think they're going to have to get the keeper up here. We've seen the Indian batsman giving himself enough room. Jaiswal, just the sound of his bat. Over the offside this time. Big boundary, but enough on it to get there. The intent is very clear. Jaiswal looking to maximize the power play. And this time there was the width and the length on offer. Clearing his front foot. Beautifully placing it over cover. They've decided they're going to do this in boundaries. Strike rate in the power play. That's an elite list too. And there's another. Wow, Yashasvi Jaiswal is having a party. Into the third over. 43 for none. Just taking away the impetus from Zimbabwe. Too short of 50. Now that'll go away for four. This is sensible batting. Realise that the third man is up in the circle, and with the pace, if I get it wide of that fielder, I'll help myself to another boundary. Seeing finesse and precision. Just wide of that fielder at short third. That is his
I agree with you. That one hits the stumps, ricochets away, and allows for another run. Just try and stem the flow here. Otherwise, it's one-way ticket.
Bang, bang, bang would be great news for Zimbabwe. Even one of those bangs would be good news for Zimbabwe at the moment.
Just a bit too close to the body for the cut shot, but he got a single. Oopsie. Then mistakes in the field now. Now more needed for...
Good piece of bowling from Blessing. Not convinced he needed that throw. Jaiswal was cruising in at the bowler's end. Skip.
61 is the partnership now. One day is South Africa playing. It will be a pink day. India has been part of a Cup 55. So there's a scramble. And that's bludgeoned away with disdain. Oh, and 50 up. He's 50. What a player. Well done, Jaiswal.
Yeah, while he was celebrating the World Cup victory.
Tried one or two, Abhishek Sharma, although that's a lovely shot. Once again, showing no mercy whatsoever. 71 without loss.
Beautiful balance.
India.
Yeah, 100%. Bowling at that pace, it's got to be wicket to wicket. At least threatening the stumps. There's the width. And there's the familiar Shubman Gill slap. Long way in front of point.
Christmas come early for Shubman Gill. Then he slaps this one. It's going to be out the beating of Blessing Masrabani once again. And 4 more to Gill. And Zimbabwe are reeling.
Well, it's not quite a replay of the earlier boundaries on the offside. This one's gone between mid-off and extra cover with just as much club.
That'll go.